At Shelf Engine, we use predictive ordering to help you keep your shelves full while cutting down on waste and saving you money. In this video, we're going to show you how to use our mobile app. To record deliveries, make sure you are in the correct location by clicking All Locations and selecting the right one. Under Deliveries, click on the vendor whose order you'd like to record. Use the plus/minus buttons to change the amount. You can also click the number directly and type it in. Once you've recorded each item, click Save. If there is an error in your delivery, whether it's an extra item, your order is short, or there's something missing or damaged, take a picture of the item and save it under Deliveries. Make sure to enter the exact amount you received. We'll contact the vendor directly to resolve the discrepancy. To record waste or spoilage, select the appropriate vendor under Record Waste. Locate the item and enter the amount either by using the plus/minus buttons or typing the number in manually. Some may be listed as individual items, while others might be listed as packs, so make sure you're entering the correct one. When you're done, hit Save. For inventory, make sure you select the right location. Check the items and enter them here. For sold out items, enter 0. And don't forget to include backlogged items. When you're done, take a picture of your shelf and save it in the app. It's helpful for us to see the shelf's health. Reminder, we buy back whatever's left over, so you can try out new items risk-free. And invoices are emailed every night. Our goal is to save you time and money, so you can focus on your store and your customers instead of your order.